Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need two things now: sleep enabled and the keyboard permitted to wake the machine. Open power options and confirm a sleep state is active. This ensures the system can enter standby. Next, open Device Manager, expand Keyboards, open your keyboard's properties, and under Power Management check, allow this device to wake the computer. Once done, reboot if required so the setting takes effect, and make sure any BIOS/UEFI wake from keyboard setting is enabled for full control. Now put the PC to sleep using only the keyboard. First close or save any apps that prevent sleep. Unsaved work can stop the transition. From the desktop, press Alt plus F4 to open the shutdown dialog, choose Sleep and press Enter. This sends the machine to standby immediately. Alternatively, from any screen, press the Windows key, then U, then S in sequence. That three-key flow triggers sleep without touching the mouse. Both methods rely on the enabled sleep state and keyboard wake permissions you set earlier. Finish by confirming wake works. Press any key or the dedicated keyboard wake key to resume. If sleep didn't engage when you used the keyboard sequence, go back and recheck Device Manager power settings and power options for conflicting sleep timers or policies. Make sure USB Selective Suspend and Driver Power Management aren't blocking sleep. If problems persist, update the keyboard or chipset drivers and review BIOS/UEFI wake from keyboard options. This usually resolves device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.